Updating your legal name on Element can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you navigate through it efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, court order, or any other legal document that verifies your new name. Step 2. Log into your Element account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once loaded in, go to the Profile or Account Settings section. Look for options related to personal information or name settings. Step 4. Update your name. In the Profile settings, find the field for your legal name. Enter your new name as it appears on your legal documents. Double check for any typos or errors before proceeding. Step 5. Submit changes and confirm. After updating your name, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification. Ensure that you follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently update your legal name on Element. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.